Alex has a quarterly business review in 2 hours, and her sales data is spread across 3 separate Excel files. She needs to figure out which region underperformed, understand why, and build a revenue forecast she can share with leadership. Here's how Alex approaches the problem. First, she uses the analyst agent to compare sales data across multiple files and identify which region needs attention. Next, she opens the right workbook in Excel and uses Copilot to explore the data and understand what's driving the issue. Finally, she uses Copilot with Python to generate a revenue forecast she can take into her QBR. Let's walk through how Alex does this step by step. She's reviewing third quarter sales results for 3 regions: North, South, and West. Each region has its own workbook. Instead of opening every file and manually comparing the data, she starts with the analyst agent to quickly identify where to focus. Alex opens the analyst agent in the Microsoft 365 Copilot app. Then she attaches the North, South, and West sales files. She prompts, which region underperformed and what stands out in the results? The analyst agent reviews all 3 files and returns a comparison summary. The South region has strong fundamentals, but the lowest total revenue. The North shows growth with revenue steadily increasing, and West is trending down across quarters. That gives Alex a clear starting point. She didn't need to build a comparison table. The agent surfaced the region that needs closer review. Alex wants to understand the issue more clearly, so she asks a follow-up question. What is driving the decline in the West region? Break down the likely factors using the data in the attached files. Behind the scenes, the analyst agent reads all 3 files, compares trends among the regions and between quarters, and then identifies patterns across segments, accounts, and revenue changes. It identifies that the decline in the West region is primarily driven by fewer deals being closed. It also summarizes that reduced pipeline and slightly lower renewals are contributing factors. The response highlights where Alex should investigate next, including pipeline generation, enterprise segment performance, and potential gaps in sales execution. Now Alex knows she'll focus on the West region's file, starting with enterprise accounts and deal activity when she moves into Excel. With the problem identified, Alex opens the West region's workbook in Excel and launches Copilot. Since she already knows the decline is tied to enterprise accounts, she starts with a focused question instead of manually filtering rows and scanning the data. Show me enterprise accounts and identify where revenue declined the most in Q3. Copilot provides a summary table and also creates a new sheet in the workbook for easy tracking. Now that Alex has a focused view of the declining accounts, she looks for patterns that explain what's driving the trend. She asks Copilot what patterns exist across these accounts that explain the revenue decline. Copilot reviews the accounts in this view and surfaces key patterns. It shows that many of the largest declines are tied to lower deal volume, along with reduced pipeline coverage and some impact from renewals. Alex isn't just seeing which accounts declined, she understands the common factors driving the trend. Now that Alex understands what's driving the decline, she needs a forward-looking view for the QBR. She asks Copilot to generate a forecast based on the data in the workbook. Copilot recognizes this as a forecasting task and uses Copilot with Python to run a more advanced analysis. It generates a forecast and inserts both the data and a chart directly into the sheet. Now Alex has more than just a view of what happened. She has a data-backed projection of what's likely to happen next. With the analysis complete, Alex is ready for the meeting. She can explain that West underperformed, show that enterprise accounts drove the decline, and share a forecast that helps leadership plan next steps. Instead of spending time combining files and building formulas, Copilot helped her to interpret results and prepare a recommendation. Let's recap the workflow. Alex used the analyst agent to compare data across multiple files and identify the region that needed attention. Then she opened the right workbook in Excel, used Copilot to investigate the cause. Finally, she generated a forecast using Copilot with Python.